Make money fast. These three keywords describe one of the widest spread online scams in the world. How did it all start? Buckle up. We're going back to the 80s. The first chain letter scam emerged at a time when people were just getting used to the internet and didn't know what online scams were. The email read, "Dear friends, my name is Pave Roades. In September 1988, my car was repossessed and the bill collectors were hounding me like you wouldn't believe. This January 1989, my family and I went on a 10-day cruise to the tropics." Instantly dragging readers into a rags-to-riches narrative, the story then revealed advice on how to gain massive wealth. All you had to do was mail $1 to the first 5 people on the received list of names, then add your name, address, and zip code in the number 10 position to the bottom of it, cross out the first name, and then forward the email. Someone following these steps would supposedly in turn receive $1 bills from random people across the US and earn more than $50,000 monthly. The plot thickens from here onwards. The message from Pave Roades spread across email and bulletin board systems in no time. The promise of easy money attracted thousands. Unfortunately, it was all a hoax. It's likely that people just sent money to scammers. Time passed, and the Make Money Fast letter circulated around the globe. New versions of the text appeared. Some were scams similar to the original. Others, however, were parodies. Make Money Fast turned into Get Arrested Fast. Pave Roades became Rave Rhodes or Pave Roades. But who was Pave Roades? No one will ever know. Some people claimed he was a student at Columbia Union College, yet nobody had confirmed it. Most likely, Pave Roades was a random name that hid the identity of a fraudster. The magnitude of the Make Money Fast scam paved the way for the arrival of new Ponzi schemes and pyramid marketing techniques. They used promises of false profit to attract new prey. It's hard to tell how many victims have sent money to fraudsters in a hope to become rich. Yet you should never forget, if the offer is too good to be true, it's probably a scam, no matter if it's Pave Roades or your friend writing you.